Today we'll be looking at scanning our target operating system using the graphical user interface. The tool we'll be using for this tutorial is the ZENMAP. Using the ZENMAP tool, which gives us a graphical user interface, unlike the NMAP, which is more of a command line tool. So we'll proceed by booting up our machine. Sorry, removing this then let's put. Okay, now we'll be using our Kali machine for this this demonstration. Now my Kali machine is powered up. Now let me log into my Kali device. Okay, I'm logging into the device now. My device, my machine is loaded. Now this is my Kali machine where I would be most of my attacks will be based off from my Kali machine. Now I would love to attack both my Metasploitable and my Windows 10 machine, so I'll power them up as well. So I'll head over to my VirtualBox manager. I'll power my Windows 10 machine. It's up. Okay, my Windows machine is up. So I'd have to input my credentials. That was incorrect. Now this should be correct. Okay, my Windows machine is up. Now I would need to bring log into my Metasploitable device or machine. I'm headed here and now I'm starting the Metasploitable. Yeah, okay, logging in correct. It's supposed to be MSF admin. Okay, now we are in and we are clearing the screen. If you do the if config command, you get able to get our INET address. Now I'm connecting my I just connected my wireless adapter. I just connected the wireless adapter. Now I have to go to my USB and add my wireless adapter. Okay, now it's added. Now heading over to my terminal and searching for command LSU and okay, I'll see the wireless adapter. I'll see that it's been connected and I can clear. Now if I do my if config, I get my INET address. This is my IP address for for Windows device. Would have to check by going to command prompt, open it and type in the IP feed and IP address 32. Okay, this is supposed to be blood. This is my IP address for my Windows machine. It's my IP address for my Windows machine. Now let's head over to Kali. Let's head over to Kali machine and now let's kill it and we'll go straight into our tool. The tool we'll be using, which is the ZENMAP. We'll go straight into the tool. Now this tool has a graphical user interface. Now opening the tool, you just type in Zen. This it's the first tool here. it will be asking for which privileges you. Now the tool is open. This is the tool. It's called ZENMAP. This is the tool. This is the tool here. You type in your IP address. We'll try to do a quick scan. Now there are several types of scan that we can do. Now let us go for pink scan, or let's go for a pink scan. Yeah, let's go for a pink scan, and then we click on the scan. Now I'm scanning my Windows 10 machine, and you can see that we've gotten some information from that scan. Now this is some information from the scan. Let's go for, let's say, a quick scan, and same IP address, and we're scanning. Now if you come here, this is the command, this is the NMAP command, this is the command line command. So this tool is giving us a graphical user interface. It gives us a graphical user interface where we don't need to interact with the command line. We are interacting directly with the graphics, with the software. And this tool is easier, but for better results, would be combining command line tool, which is the NMAP, and the graphical user tool, which is the ZENMAP, to give us adequate or accurate results. Now this is the results for a quick scan using the ZENMAP tool. Now if we want to get, these are open ports. Now there are ports, we are seeing ports, their states and their services running on the port, and the MAC address, and there are some information here about our target machine. Now this is how we use the ZENMAP. Now we can go for a quick scan plus, and we scan the same targets. Going for a quick scan. Now our scan is completed. And this is the details it is giving us about the machine. We have the states, we have the services. This is a lot of information. That it gives about specified target. So this is how we use the tool ZENMAP. This is a good video on how to use the tool ZENMAP. For this is the graphical user interface tool, where you don't this is a substitute. You use it in parallel with the NMAP tool, so you can get better results from your search. This is for red teamers, penetration testers. This is an advanced tool. Now for more information on how to use ZENMAP, you can send a direct message, or you can send me an email for more detailed method. But you should like, you should subscribe, and you should share to get more videos like this, get more tutorials on cybersecurity journey, ethical hacking journey, on your penetration testing journey. Thank you very much.